guys, it's your girl Amma and I'm back again with another video. So today we're not doing vlogs. Today I'm giving you all a tutorial on how to slay your own hair by yourself. Cause you can do it. Don't be lazy. So I'm about to teach you guys how to install a 6x6 frontal by yourself. So go get you a book and a paper because we're about to take notes. Okay? Yeah. So that's it. Let's get into it. We're starting off with a fresh new wig which I have already plucked and bleached off camera and gave it that natural hairline look so it looks natural as possible when it's already installed. Then I use my foundation to apply that all over the lace so it matches my skin. I'm starting off with my wax gel to slick back all of the edges, just to get them out of the way. So I don't normally do the ball cap method because it doesn't really make a difference to me. I just wear the wig cap and match it to my skin. Don't mind me, I just can't believe my forehead is this big now. Wow. So I'm cleaning the entire area up that the wig is gonna be placed on with makeup wipes just to make sure I wipe off any makeup and excess oil on my skin. That way the wig, the glue is gonna stay much longer. Then I go ahead with my lace glue from theeallurestudio. I'm gonna list down all of the products I'll be using in the description below, so make sure to check them out. So I'm going ahead with 3 layers of glue because I really want this wig to last long. Spreading the glue with this wooden stick I got from an ice cream bar. It spreads the glue really flat, so I buy ice cream every day just to get this wooden stick, you guys. So I wait for the first layer to dry down, then I move on to applying the other. Here I'm just hot combing the flyaways back to get the wig as neat as possible. Now that the glue is completely dried up, I grab my wig, adjust the bands and put it on. So I carefully place the lace on the glue and also in sections. Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it, put the hood on, they're calling me catch. So I like to press it in like this before I go on with anything, just for that extra hold. And then I carve out my ear tabs to cut them off, and this is exactly how I do it. So we're gonna part out the lace that covers my entire ears and then cut that piece off. And let's do that on the other side too. Now this is what it is supposed to be giving. So now it's time for the ultimate melt. I'm going ahead with my Ebin spray. I'm not directly spraying it into my lace because it's gonna lift. So I spray it on my fingers and then dab it on the lace. I dab the spray all over the lace.
Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my home, girl, tell your best friend. Besides you, on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come tonight.
So I use my baby hair brush to comb all of that out before I go ahead with my melting band.
Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come.
Now let's tie her up for at least 15 minutes. For at least 10 to 15 minutes rather. So we are going for a middle part, just something simple and nice, not too much. Going ahead with my wax and hot comb to get the wig neat and flat, and I'll be doing that in sections. But first I'm gonna go ahead with my heat protectant spray and spray that all over the hair to avoid any heat damages. So I'm starting from the bottom to the middle. So I section a bit of piece, then wax and hot comb until I get to the middle part. In that way I'm gonna get my wig as flat as possible. Now you see how flat the wig is? Yeah. So you're gonna repeat that on the other side too. So it's time to take the headband off, and boy, I was dying. But we needed that melt. So I'm gonna cut my lace into 3 parts to make the cutting easier. So I'm using these eyebrow razors instead of scissors to get that zigzag motion instead of just a straight line. So I think my lights went off at this point, but you see that white thing? Do not worry, it's gonna go. Now this is the trick. You're gonna use your hairspray, spray it on a flat surface, and then dab it onto the lace again. Yeah, just keep dabbing, and watch how the lace is gonna disappear. And then I top it up with my lace melt spray, which is also Ebin. I'm using a tail comb to press the lace down before I go ahead with my foundation. Lightly going ahead with a darker foundation on my lace. So I saw this trick on TikTok, and when I tried it, I've never looked back. So you're gonna use a wig cap or a stocking and tie that on your leaf. Then you're gonna secure it with a melting band. Now to start, wait for that melt. So I went ahead with my hair serum and applied that all over my hair before going ahead with my steam pot. So I use a steam pot instead of a flat iron. Don't get me wrong, a good flat iron is good, but baby, this steam pot is always gonna get you right. Now you see all of that smoke? This wig is about to be straight to the core. It's gonna give bone straight.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how.
Now let's see what she's giving.
Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I.
Hairline, of course. These wear, of course. Now you see the wrapping over here? Don't mind now. I'm gonna play people some. This is getting off right now. Yeah. But anyway, shop. Please wear. Right. I'll go back in with my hot comb just to give it an extra neatness. Some holding spray. Then I finish my part with a lighter concealer, you know, just to give it that sharp line. Yeah, braids. And that's it. Your 30 inches bust down is installed all by yourself. And this is your sign to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, because I'm out here giving you a tutorial and you're watching this video to the end without subscribing. No babe, subscribe now. Yeah.